All right, y'all, welcome back to the Eric and Tom Show, and today we got another video for you. We told you we were going to bring you back in. We wanted you to be a part of these smaller tops. And real quick, we're going to give you a quick update. The customer, we had already finished this one back here. The customer had a little bit of change in the scheme, the theme of what was going on, color-wise, all that. She asked us if it is any problem to flip the colors around and do this a little different. No problem at all. That was actually 3 totally different colors. It wasn't even looking like it is right now, which explains why these two right here that we're getting ready to show you how to get that. It explains why this is a very soft, light gray. So that is our base color. And I want you to know at home, we had already had the white down, if you remember, right here. We had already had these white, and a very thin seal coat was put over that white. So when we needed to change the base color to a soft gray, it was no problem with the seal coat already down. We just applied a new layer of paint over the top of that seal coat. Perfectly fine to do. Make sure it is 100% acrylic. So took right to it like a champ. Which gave us a different base coat, so there's no need to do an epoxy seal coat over this. The seal coat is underneath that gray. It's already there. Nothing's breathing. So we're going to go in here with the flood coat, wrap these two colors into the gray, and you're going to get a look just like this over here. Tom, you're pretty hot there, Chief.
That's why I'm sexy.
Yeah, you are. Show them what's going on over here. Check it out. So she loves it. It is banging. You might need to go to the doctor and get that checked out. I'm just telling you. Yeah, so she loves it, you all. And this is, these 3 are what is going, that custom shower that we're putting online, that we're showing you guys what's going on with it. That is in this bathroom right here. We have one done. We want y'all to be a part of this. Come with us, and we're going to show you how we do these other 2. Check it out. All right, y'all, so here we go. Sorry we couldn't show you the gray. As you can see, it's out here. And since this is a smaller top, let me tune you into something real quick. Okay, that's 3/16, just so you know. Okay, a lot of times with our bigger tops, I can judge it by using a roller and everything. I know I'm pushing everything, you know, relatively low, about 1/8 of an inch. You don't want to be any really thicker than that. It can cause problems curing, that sort of thing. So what I want to point out, now that the gray is out, all I did was pour it out and just make sure everything's covered except for the inner sink edges. I don't care about that right now. Now what I'm going to do is come through here with the white. This white will do both of these. So I just want to kind of stagger it. I'm going to start back here in this corner. And I'm going to get one of these just like that. Just going to bring that around there. Okay, if you get a little too much, it's fine. I just want to save enough. Let that sit there and marinate. I just want to save enough for over here. And I'm just kind of going every which way, making sure I get some things back there. And that's pretty much going to do that. I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to grab the black. I'm just going to dance around this guy. I just want, you know, you kind of see the coverage there I'm doing. Get a little bit of black back there on that one. Any old way is fine. That That looks good. We still have some left, and look. This is where we break this out. So all I'm going to do is lightly push this. I'm going to stay away from this edge right this second. I'm going to sit down till it gets wet. It's going to do that, okay? And what you're trying to do is get these to smear out only. Just run through them like that. And then it matters which way I pull. So I like these coming down, hitting that way. Pick this right across this front here. I'll push some of this black out. Bam, take it back over here. Break out. Ooh, look at that. I like how that black streak there. Now look, right across the front, just like this, just to get those to kind of fan and change direction. That's all I'm looking to do. Because it's still wet enough in the process. Look, bam, look at that. The more I pull that like that, it just lets those black areas shine. Look at that. Bam. I'm going to pick up a little bit, let that little streak run right off. And then boom, pull him right back. Now, this is a great time where I'm going to go ahead, before I get to this other side, I'm literally cramming that in that corner to get that corner real good. It's going to let all these streaks, look at that, lay over and kind of blend with the pattern. We're not worried about anything because the sinks are dropping in here, but it just makes everything look cool and uniform. Bam, there's that one. Right over to this one. Look, just start pushing. And however you see fit. There's no wrong way, there's no right way. A lot of times I'll let that run off, that front side, back side, just because. Some of that black off there. Bam. So the idea here is just to run it to where it kind of thins everything out and puts them together really nicely like that. Look at that. Bam. I'm going to run this across this front here and get these to lay down. This is a super simple pattern that anybody can achieve just, just working it around like you just see me doing. I'm staying right on the surface. I'm not digging in. And just by flopping through this, I'm getting those colors to shift one way or another. Then lastly, I'm going to run this edge here just to get those to lay down and kind of look feathered. You don't really want anything forced. We're trying to make it all look natural. So if you see a spot that you think you got too much of something, calm that black down a little bit right there. Look at that. And then we'll just blend it right on back in. Right off my side here. Bam. Man, that looks sharp. And then this last little side, see, you can tell. I'll bring that through there just like that. Boom. Now, if you got a little too much black, too much color, boom. See, that's why we plastic all the way out here like that. What do you think, Tom?
I like it.
Yeah, there we go. Get how that runs right there. Runs right off. So, and you can just play with this however you want. There is no wrong or right way. I'm happy with that right there. I think when you look at all three of these as a whole, I think we got a dead ringer. Now I'm going to go ahead with these sides. Even though the sink don't matter, it matters to us. We like everything to look uniform and as nice as it can be. Bam. That's it. Sometimes less is more, okay? Now, real quickly here, let me put down my little stick. You're good, brother. All right, now I'm going to take, notice I've already got my mask on. Listen, I'm telling you, anytime you got to do isopropyl, don't care how big the room is, put a mask on real quick. You do not want to be sucking in these type of fumes. I'm going to go underneath this counter, and I'm going to test this. Now it's spraying. Look, even though it don't matter, go ahead and slick this up anyway. Got ahead of myself here, forgot about the backs. And again, the backs and stuff, it don't matter. It don't matter at all. I'm just doing this just because I like everything to be covered. Oh, Tom, that is super slick. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Now look, two crucial things left. One is the isopropyl. Take a good look. We both have our masks on. Not only is this going to help with our bubbles, we're only sitting about an 1/8 thick right now. There it is. And we're going to let them sit there and marinate. Okay, we still have plenty of time. We have plenty of working time. We're in no rush now. All this is sitting here really pretty, and as a whole, as a team, 3 pieces, these look spectacular, identical. We're going to give this about 10 or 15 minutes. We're still within our working time at that point. We're going to come back in, and we're going to get these torched to get any remainder bubbles that are on the surface that the isopropyl didn't get. All right, y'all, so look, the isopropyl did its job. Okay, I still got the mask on. We can't smell anything, but just for my own benefit. Usually when I come back in here to torch, I'll put the mask back on. But we are clear in the room. You can definitely tell if you're not. You'll smell that smell. And you never want to. You never want that smell. If you smell it that strong, do not use a torch. Okay, heaters are totally different. This is an open flame. With that being said, I'm going to lightly go over these. Again, it's been about 15 minutes. We got about 10 minutes left of our working time, so to speak. So I'm going to go over these real quick, and then we'll be down to the drips. But check these out. God, dog, these suckers are banging. Remember, don't start that flame actually on the piece. Point it out in the open, and then start running. Just a back and forth sweeping motion is all you want. Then I'm going to hit that front edge out here very lightly, just like that. Tom, go ahead and show them. So that isopropyl not only pops the bubbles and stuff, but man, does it really bring that 3D effect out in your colors and everything. That's it. It doesn't take very much at all. And then the only thing we have to do left, okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you one time. I'm going to do it early. But again, we keep doing this through the process for the next hour, hour and a half. You'll know when I get ready to take this stick through these drips, you'll know when you need to not do it anymore. It's going to be super gummy as you go through there, as quick as I can go through this front right here. Look. Guess it would help if I got the right angle there, Tom. There we go. So as quick as I can go through that right there, as pretty as that looks, it's going to come back, obviously, okay? This is way early. What'll happen, though, as we continue to sit here and do this, where this is sitting here running down like sap on a tree right now, eventually I'll come through here. As easy as that was to go through, it won't be that easy. You'll literally feel the force and you'll have to push, and that's pretty much a great time where that's going to be the end of it. Bam, I'm just running these down. Always watch your step. I'm usually overly cautious when we're in here working. Try to not only look at your piece there, but I try to watch where I'm walking as well. Look at that guy. Bam, just like that. So when we're done, you'll know it. Like I said, it'll seem pretty hard to get that off like that. Tom, show them all three of these tops. We think they're spot on. We love it. Absolutely love it. She's gonna love it. We hope y'all like this at home. And more importantly, we hope this helps you at home. Okay, that bathroom we've been showing you all, the custom shower, everything we got going on in there, these are her three tops. The longer one sits over here to the right. The big center guy kind of sits over the top of those two, and that small one there sits here on the left as you walk in your bathroom. We're going to be installing them next week, and of course we're going to show you all. Hope this helps you at home. We'll see you back real soon with the next one.